Hi friends, in this video we are going to discussing about mock test for chapter 6 in the series of NISM 1 currency derivatives. First question. A trading member routes orders using internet based trading. Who is responsible for risk? Option A SEBI, option B exchange, option C client only and option D trading member. Correct answer is option D client only. Trading members must implement risk control for all IBT orders. Next question. Who is responsible for the clearing and settlement of trades executed in the currency derivative segment? Option A trading member, option B SEBI, option C clearing corporation and option D stockbroker. Correct answer is option C clearing corporation. Next question. A client breaches exposure limit. What happens to pending orders? Option A converted to market orders. Option B sent to exchange approval. Option C cancelled automatically. And option D paused till next day. Correct answer is option C cancelled automatically. Next question. Which of the following orders will lose time priority? Option A market order. Option B limit order modified with the same price. Option C limit order modified with a new price. And option D IOC order. Correct answer is option C limit order modified with new price. Any modification in price causes the order to lose its original time priority. Next question. What does UCC stand for? Option A Unified Clearing Code, option B Unique Client Code, option C Unique Clearing Channel and option D Universal Customer Code. Correct answer is option B Unique Client Code. It is mapped with the PAN for order identification. Next question. A client places a good till a limit order at 83.10. It will remain active. Option A till manually cancelled. Option B till market closes that day. Option C till end of the trading month. And option D for 2 trading days. Correct answer is option B till market closes that day. Next question. In the order book, a buy order for USD INR at 83 rupees and a sell order at 83.10 implies option A trade will execute at 83.10, option B order mismatch, option C no trade will occur and option D trade will execute at midpoint. Correct answer is option C no trade will occur. Next question. In an immediate or cancel IOC order, what happens if only part of the order is filled? Option A remaining stays in the system. Option B remaining is cancelled. Option C converted to GTD and option D sent to manual review. Correct answer is option B remaining cancelled. Next question. Which order type is used to avoid slippage but ensure execution at best possible rate? Option A limit order, option B stop loss order, option C market with protection order and option D trigger order. Correct answer is option C. A market with protection order behaves like market order but limits price range. Next question. A exchange assigns a unique which of the following to every order received? Option A client ID, option B custodian code, option C order number and option D trade number. Correct answer is option C order number. Next question. Trade annulment request must be submitted within option A 1 hour, option B 30 minutes, option C end of the day and option D 2 hours. Correct answer is option B 30 minutes. Next question. When is a contract note issued to a client? Option A, at order placement. Option B, at market close. Option C, after trade execution. And option D, before expiry. Correct answer is option C, after trade execution. Next question. The anonymous matching system in ETCD ensures option A, fast order cancellation. Option B, transparent client identity. Option C, price time priority. And option D, manual approval. Correct answer is option C, price time priority. Next question. A trading member wants to change the client code post trade. Which rule applies? Option A, allowed anytime. Option B, allowed only before settlement. Option C, allowed under conditions with possible penalty. And option D, not allowed under any circumstance. Correct answer is allowed under conditions with possible penalty. Client code modification allowed under strict rules and may attract penalty. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of a clearing corporation? Option A, trade execution. Option B, risk management. Option C, settlement guarantee. And option D, margin collection. Correct answer is option A, trade execution is done by the exchange, not clearing corporation. Next question. In ETCD, which of these checks is not a price related order condition? Option A, limit order. Option B, market order. Option C, stop loss order. And option D, day order. Correct answer is option D, stop loss order. Day order is a time related condition. Next question. A trader wants to cancel an unexecuted order when it is allowed. Option A, after closing hours. Option B, before expiry date. Option C, before full execution during trading hours. And option D, only by the exchange. Correct answer is option C, before full execution during trading hours. Next question. Margin money is collected to cover option A, profit guarantees. Option B, order execution cost. Option C, potential losses. And option D, broker commission. Correct answer is option C, potential losses. Margins are collected to cover risk of adverse price movement. Next question. A stockbroker is using algorithm trading. Which of the following is mandatory? Option A, mobile app. Option B, broker permission from SEBI. Option C, risk controls and SEBI compliance. And option D, using foreign servers. Correct answer is option C, risk controls and SEBI compliance. Algorithms must have SEBI approved risk control framework. Next question. What is the tick size in USD INR futures trading? Option A, 0.01. Option B, 0.05. Option C, 0.25. And option D, 0.0025. Correct answer is option D, 0.0025. Next question. Which of these entities places orders on behalf of clients? Option A, clearing corporation. Option B, trading member. Option C, custodian. And option D, exchange. Correct answer is option B, trading member. Next question. Price band for USD INR futures is option A, plus or minus 3% of base price. Option B, plus or minus 5% of base price. Option C, plus or minus 10%. And option D, no price band. Correct answer is option A, plus or minus 3% for less than 6 months and plus or minus 5% for greater than 6 months. Relaxed dynamically. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more chapters.